riding through rock gardens and switchbacks. We're going off-road mountain biking on Lamma Island. This is Drone and Phone. Welcome to the second episode of the mountain bike series. Again, we have our friend Rob here to go off-road in Lamma.
Hey George, thanks for having me back. Now, from last week's episode, we can see that George struggled quite a bit. So today we're going to try and give him some pointers and some tips and some practice exercises to do. Now, I'm not a qualified coach or professional mountain biker, so anything you see today, George, you can just take as little tips and pointers so we can at least get you off-road and give you some experience before you get into the real mountain biking.
Let's get started. Let's go. With 70% of Hong Kong being forests and mountains, the natural topography of the city offers the perfect trails for mountain bike enthusiasts. In this series of Drone and Vern, I'm going to learn how to ride a mountain bike from scratch and introduce 5 different trails for it. So get on your bike, get off the roads, and pedal with me. In the last episode, I was given a gentle introduction to mountain biking on the concrete paths around Lamma. In this episode, I'm taking it to the next level by learning how to ride off-road with the challenge of completing a circuit of the famous Project X mountain bike trail by the end of the day. Lesson 1. Balancing. This allows you to negotiate technical sections of the trail without putting your foot down. Ride slow and bring the bike to a halt.
Hey, not bad. Not bad.
The goal is simple. Balance as long as possible without putting your foot down. Lesson 2. Turning. We practice weaving from one corner to another. Lean the bike into a turn and load the outside foot pushing into the pedal.
Remember to try and get as close to the cone as possible and try and stay on the course.
The goal is to make a 90-degree turn. Lesson 3. Braking. This allows you to brake better and more efficiently. Put your weight backwards towards the back wheel. Going. Stop. Going. Stop. The goal is to make an instant stop.
Nice, okay.
Feeling well equipped and ready to go off-road, it's time to put the lessons into practice. We start on the windmill trail just above the training area. Oh wait, that's not the kind of trail I was expecting.
Good luck, George. It's nice knowing you. Keep the speed down, speed down, speed down. That's right, keep the speed down. How was that?
That's tough. That's tough.
Did you think you were going to make it?
That's lame. But look at Rob's professional looking demo. What a jump. 10 out of 10. After a steep descent along another trail, we reach the entrance to Project X. From here, we make our way along the trail to the top of Bat Kok San. Project X is one of the best known mountain bike trails in Hong Kong, and plenty of rocky sections and switchbacks. I'm told it's a fun ride for seasoned mountain bikers, but for novices like me, it's a nightmare.
Halt!
Rob tells me that coming off the bike is inevitable when you first start off-roading. It's part of the experience. The trail is stunning though, as you trace the contour of the northeast head of Lamma Island with stunning views across the channel to Hong Kong Island. So that's the end of this episode. It's my first time going off-road on mountain bike, but I gotta say this is not something for the newbie, right?
Definitely not. This is definitely an advanced course. And although you managed to ride some sections, other sections you had a few mishaps.
Yeah.
But all in all, did you manage to pull some of your skills from our earlier training?
I think I did well today. How about next week?
Next week, okay, so George still needs a lot to learn and he's got to do more practicing, but we've got a coach lined up for him, Nick over at Hong Kong Mountain Bike.
That would be great. Also, quick shout out to Robert Van Noordrijk. Thank you for sending us this lovely t-shirt. And also, don't forget to like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For now, my name is George.
I'm Rob.
And this is Journey and Bones.